In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with a Visa gift card on eBay. If you want to use a Visa gift card for an eBay purchase, the process is simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can move through checkout without confusion. Before you begin, make sure your Visa gift card is activated and has enough balance to cover the full purchase amount, including shipping and taxes if those apply. That can help prevent payment issues during checkout. To get started, go to the eBay item you want to purchase. On the product page, click on Buy It Now. This takes you directly into the checkout flow instead of adding the item to your cart for later. If you already know this is the item you want, this is the quickest way to continue to payment. Once you're on the checkout page, look for the payment section. Here, you'll need to add your gift card as a payment method if it isn't already saved to your account. Click on Add New Card. This opens the form where you can enter the details from your Visa gift card. Now enter your Visa card details carefully. Type in the card number, expiration date, and any other required information exactly as shown on the card. As you fill this out, take a moment to double check everything before continuing, because even a small typing mistake can cause the card to be declined. If your gift card has billing information associated with it, make sure the details you enter match what the card provider expects. After entering the card information, continue through the checkout process on eBay and review your order details before submitting the payment. It's always a good idea to confirm the total one more time so you know the balance on your gift card is enough for the transaction. One important thing to keep in mind is that some gift cards can be more sensitive to address matching or available balance limits. So if a payment doesn't go through right away, the issue is often related to one of those details, rather than the checkout process itself. Entering the information carefully usually solves most problems. That's all it takes to pay with a Visa gift card on eBay. Once your card details are added correctly, you can use it just like a regular card during checkout.